in today's lesson we're going to be learning Breakfast at Tiffany's. It's by Deep Blue, something absolute cracking tune. Used to play this one in the covers band I used to play in, went down really well. Super simple, it's just got 3 basic chords and a very simple pattern that just sort of repeats the whole way through. So we're going to start by learning the chords. So the main chords we need are D, that's third one down from the top, third one up from the bottom, fret 2, bottom string, fret 2, the B string, fret 3, curl them fingers round, strum the bottom 4 strings, that's our D chord. We've also got a G chord. If you're an absolute beginner, just bottom string, fret 3, strum the bottom 4 strings. Or we could use big G, second one down from the top, fret 2, next finger, fret 3, and then ring on the bottom string, fret 3. Another variation on that is ring goes on the B string, fret 3, and pinky goes on the bottom, fret 3. It's another version of the G. So all 3 versions of G, we could use that one, easy one, a little bit more advanced, and then that one as well, it's another variation. Then the other chord we need is A, third one down from the top, fret 2, string underneath 2, string underneath that, fret 2, strum all the strings except that low E string, we just missed that one out. So let's just quickly recap on that. So we've got D, we've got a G, and we've got an A. So we're going to start by learning the verse. Now it's super simple. It just starts with a D chord for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then we've got a G for 2 beats. And then an A for 2 beats. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, A, 2, D, 2, 3, 4, G, 2, A. You say we've got nothing in common. So if you're an absolute beginner, it just repeats that. D for 4 beats, G and A, and repeat throughout all of the verses in the song. The good thing is that's the same pattern that we need for all of the solo and instrumental sections. So if there's an instrumental sections, you're just going to play the exact same thing. 4 beats on a D, 2 on a G, 2 on an A. And we'll just keep it super simple. Okay, now if you want to add that embellishment bit, I'm just going to show you that. It is a little bit more intermediate, so if it's a bit difficult, you just skip past and we'll move on to the chorus. But I'm going to show it to anyone that wants to learn it. So we've got a normal D, and then we take this bottom finger off on the high E string, fret 2. That gives us D sus2. Pinky, fret 3 on the high E string. That's D sus4. So there's 3 sort of chords around the D. So we've got D. With that finger off, it's D sus2. With the pinky on, it's D sus4. Now, the pattern goes D first, D sus2, D sus4, D sus2, sorry, D, and then D sus2. I'll just go through it slowly, so... Again, a little bit more intermediate, again a little bit quicker, let's try, so... One more time, so D, D sus2, D, D sus4, D, D sus2, back to D. So... It can be down strummed as well. Do it all down strum if you want. Don't worry too much about the strumming pattern. If you're a little bit more intermediate, give that bit a go. But yeah, if not, just stick with a normal D chord. Don't worry about adding that. Okay, cool. So if you've got that, we're going to move on to the chorus. Now the next section is the chorus. Now the great thing about this, same chords, just D, but we're going to swap the second and third one around. So we've got an A and a G, 2 beats each. So that's 2, 3, 4, then G. And that's the same for all the choruses. It just repeats that. So let's try that. And I said, what about A to a G and a D, A then a G, back to D, dun dun, A then a G, then a D, 3, and it just repeats that, okay? Super simple. Okay, so let's have a little quick blast on the chorus section. Here we go. So it's just D, A, then G. So 1, 2, 3, and I said, what about breakfast to Tiffany? She said, I think I remember the film Higher as I would go. I think both kind of liked it, and I said, well, that's the one thing we got. Then it goes into the solo, and we go back to what we've done in the verse. Now, guys, that is basically it. I'm just going to show you a basic strumming pattern that you can use throughout. It's the same pattern that you'll use for the verse and the chorus. I'm just going to stick with the verse chords, so that's D, G, and A. But again, the same pattern will work on the chorus. So once you've got this, you can just translate it into the chorus. Now, let's just go through it. So we've got D. So that's down, down, up, down, up, up, down, on the D. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So that's just with the D without the embellishments there. I'll leave that off for now. So that's on the D chord only. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Then we go to the G. That's down, up, down, up, and then the A, down, up, down, down, up, down. So let's go through them again. So D, down, up, down, up, down. G, down, up, A, down, up, down. Put it all together. And it just repeats that. So that is the strumming pattern you can use for the chorus. You can use it for the verses, all the instrumental and solo sections. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to leave you one quick go with the verse, with that strumming pattern. If you want to join in with me, great. Let's join in. Here we go. So 1, 2, 3. You'll say we've got nothing in common. Common ground to start from. We're falling apart. G then A, and it just repeats the whole way through. Cool. Yeah, so I hope you've enjoyed today's lesson. If you have, please do give me a like and a subscribe. Also, in the description below, there'll be a link to my free ebook. It's got 50 chords, 50 pages of exercises. Absolute game changer if you really need to learn your chords. And it's completely free, so that'll be in the description below. If you've enjoyed, again, like and subscribe, and I'll see you again in the next lesson.